everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the booking.com reservations not showing step by step. First, make sure that you are logged in with the correct account and make sure to use to make the booking. Sometimes reservations do not appear if you are using a different email. Next, go to the bookings or my trip section and refresh the page. Temporary glitches can prevent your reservations from displaying. Next, check your email inbox, including your spam or trash folders, for the booking confirmation. This helps confirm whether the reservation was successfully completed. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for booking.com, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Now, if the reservations still do not appear, wait a few minutes as it may take time to sync. If the issue continues, contact booking.com support. That's how you fix the booking.com reservation not showing. Subscribe for